Happy Father's Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the house.
Amen.
This is what fathers means to me. F means faithful. A means always there. T means trustworthy. H means honoring. E means ever loving. R means righteous, and S means supportive.
Happy Father's Day. When I scratched my knee, or when I bumped my head, when I was afraid of the dark, or that thing hiding under my bed, when I cried in the night, or even in the day, you were there for me, to make it all okay. You tickled my feet and laughed at all my jokes. You taught me to believe in having high hopes. You are my father, you did what you had to do, but more than a father, you're my friend too. You made everything good, that was bad. I just want you to know, I love you, Dad.
He never looks for praises. He's never one to boast. He just goes on quietly working for those he loves most. His dreams are seldom spoken, his wants are very few, and most of the time his worries aren't spoken to. He is there, a firm foundation through all the storms of life, a sturdy hand to hold in times of stress and strife. A true friend we can turn to, when times are good or bad. One of the greatest blessings, the man we call Dad.
Daddy, I love you for all that you do. I'll kiss you and hug you because you love me too. You feed me and need me to teach you to play. So smile because I love you on this Father's Day.
You are my teeth, and you are the